If you only look at it from a financial and legal ramification, it's really not sensitive at all. One of my friends, and I hope he doesn't mind me saying his name is Manny. He said, as long as they treat it like a business transaction and they're clear about what happens if the other one moves on, then it shouldn't be a problem. And he got some agreement with that from other people that was on the post. So, and that's what we're talking about today. We're not talking about anything moral. I'm not your judge. I'm not your God. And we're not talking about anything religious. We're strictly talking, what you should do from a financial and legal standpoint. So when you're married, right, the state, for my case, the state of New York, they put protections in place for couples. Okay. So when you're not married, you have to secure yourself. You have to protect yourself. And I think that you should seek the proper guidance and recommendations before going into a 6-digit business transaction with your partner.